Morning children. Exercise number 4.1 question 6. Rohan has 3 cards with the numbers 6, 3 and 4 printed on them. Make the greatest and the smallest 3-digit numbers using the 3 digits on the cards. Also find the difference between the two numbers. Here you are given 3 numbers 6, 3 and 4, and we have to arrange in a ascending and descending orders to make greatest and smallest 3-digit numbers, right? First of all we will arrange, then after we will find the difference. So statements are: numbers printed on the cards is equal to 6, 3 and 4. Now with the help of these 3 digits we will make first greatest 3-digit number, and for that we will arrange the numbers in a descending orders. Descending means big to small. So biggest number 6, then 4, then 3. So our number is 643. Now smallest 3-digit number, we will write the opposite of this number, means we will write in a ascending orders, means small to big. Smallest number 3, then 4 and 6. Number is 346. Now half of the sum we can say it is done. Now to find the difference we will subtract the smaller number from bigger number, and here you can see by the simple subtraction we have found our answer is 297. Question number 7 is your homework now, and we are moving to the next topic, which is estimating difference. I hope we all know very well what is mean by estimation, right? Let me remind you again. To estimate the number or estimating the numbers, we have to round off the numbers. Rounding of the numbers nearest tens place, this is also called estimating the numbers. And here we will find the difference. As we have found in a addition chapter, it was estimated sum because it was addition. Now this is a subtraction chapter, that's why we will find the difference, but estimated difference, right? Directly we will start exercise number 4.2. Question 1. Estimate the difference by rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens. A1. 884 minus 326. Here step 1. In step 1 we will round off the numbers to the nearest tens. First number we will take 884. Here we have to rounding of nearest tens, right? So in this numbers, which is the tens place number? 8, right? That's why we will underline the number which is to be rounded off, and we will be observe the ones place, right? Digit in the ones place is less than 5, then the digit in the tens place will not change, means 8 will become 8 only, and this 4 will become 0, means on the ones place 0 will be there, and 8 on the 100 place we will write as it is because we are doing nothing with the 100 place digit. Now same way we will do next one, 326. Here in the tens place digit 2, it is to be rounded off. We will underline. This is to be understand only, beta, right? This is not compulsory to underline or box. This is just for understanding. So we will observe the ones place digit. It is more than 5, right? 6 is more than 5. So according to rules of rounding of the numbers, if the digit in the ones place is 5 or more than 5, then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Increase by 1 means 2 plus 1, right? Whatever the number you are given in the tens place, we will add 1 in that and it will become 3, means 2 become 3, and this 6 ones place digit will become 0, and 3 will become as it is. So our two rounded off numbers are here. Now in step 2 we will find estimated difference. For that we will subtract rounded off numbers, and that will be our estimated difference. 880 minus 330, and we have labeled the places ones, tens and hundred, and by simple subtraction our estimated difference is 550. Right? Why estimated difference? Because these two numbers are rounded off. That's why this difference is called estimated difference and actual difference. Actually this is not asked you in a question, but this is just for your knowledge. Actual difference, actual means whatever the numbers you are given, that number we will subtract and we will find the difference. It is called actual difference. Right? Now B1, same way we will do as we have done A1. 705 minus 289. Again we will follow the steps. Step 1, round up the numbers to the nearest tens. First number is 705. Tens place digit 0 will be underlined. Ones place digit will be observed. The digit in the ones place is 5. Then the digit in the tens place will increase by 1. Means 0 plus 1 means 1. So tens place digit will become 1. Ones place digit will become 0. And 100 place digit will be as it is. We are doing nothing with the 100 place digit. Same way another number 289. Right? Here in that 8 is on tens place will be underlined. Observe the ones place. Here 9 is there. Right? 9 is more than 5. Then in that case tens place digit will increase by 1. Means 8 plus 1 it become 9 on the tens place, and ones place digit 9 will become 0, and 2 is on 100 place will digit as it is. Right? Now we have two new rounded off numbers that we will subtract in step number 2. Step number 2 is to find the estimated difference, and for that we have subtracted both these rounded off numbers, and our answer is 420 is the estimated difference. And actual difference means two numbers you are given, that number we will subtract, and our final answer is 416. So this is the difference between estimated difference and actual difference. I hope there is no doubt. Now question C and D is your homework. Question number 2. Rashmi reads 126 pages of a book. Find the approximate numbers of pages left to be read if the book has 542 pages. So we will start with the statements. First one, total number of pages of a book is equal to 542. Number of pages Rashmi reads is equal to 126. Number of pages left to read is equal to question mark, because this things is to be find. Again we will follow the steps. Step 1, we will round up the numbers to the nearest tens. Which two numbers you are given? 542 and 126. First we will take 542. Again we will underline the tens place digit which is to be rounded off, and observe the ones place digit. In the ones place digit 2 is there, means it is less than 5. Then the digit in the tens place will not change, it remains same, means 4 will become 4 only. Ones place digit 2 will become 0, and 5 will become 5 in 100 place only. Now next is 126. 126, 2 is on tens place. Observe the digit in the ones place, it is 6, means more than 5. In that case tens place digit 2 will be increased by 1, means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here we will write 3, and the ones place digit will be 0, so we will write 0 here, and ones in the 100 place will become as it is. Right? Now we have two new rounded off numbers, and in step 2 we will find the difference, estimated difference. For that this two number will be subtracted, and answer is 410, which is estimated difference. So we can say the final statement. So approximately 410 pages are left to read. I hope everything is clear. Next questions we will do in a video number 2. Thank you.